Hello everyone, so we are going to study cursors. We're going to talk about cursors, explicit cursors. Let's do this question. Use an explicit cursor to print all the students in IT department. We're going to put the first name, last name, registration date, and address. That's what we are going to print. So let's start. We'll start with the declaration. Declare Declare our cursor. We start with this keyword cursor, and then we put the cursor name. Our cursor will be printing all the students in IT department. You can even call it car prints IT students. Okay, and then cursor car IT student is select. What are you going to select? You're going to select the first name. This is the first name is here. This one, Stu first name, Stu first name, and then Stu last name. We also print. We also select registration date. Is this one registration date? Registration date. Another one is address and no Stu address. Stu address. Okay, cursor prints. No cursor. This is the name of our cursor is select. This one. We're going to select all these things from the student table. From the student table, we're going to print the student of IT. To print the student of IT department, we need the ID of IT department. The ID of IT department is 2. I know it's how let's check. Select all things from department. From department. Okay, we have IT is 2. This is the ID. This is the primary key and the foreign key of the department table. The foreign key is here. Department ID. It's 2. Okay, let's continue. Okay, we are going to select all the things from students where department. Department. Let me do like that. That's good. Department ID equals to 2. Okay, and then after that we will have to create variables of row type which will be stored they will be stored or there's columns. Let's create the first one. You can call it first name, and then we write Stu first name. Not be this one. First name. The table is students. Student dot Stu first name, and then this one percentage type. Good. Let's have another one. It will be last name, and then Stu last name percentage type. After that, we create another one for registration date. We'll have it like this one. Can you call it correct date, because this one is the name of the table. Please do not conflict. It's better to do like that. Correct date, students dot registration date, percentage, type, and finally we create another one for address. Address, students dot stu stu address, percentage, type. Good. Okay, now let's begin. Let's do the begin part. It will be this one. Begin, and then we will end. Good. Okay. To begin, first we need to open our cursor. Open, and then we write cursor name. Our cursor name is this one. Open, we put the cursor name, and after that we close. Close cursor name. Okay. What are we going to do? We are going to create a loop with which will be looping our cursor. It will be looping the table and then put the values in the cursor. It will be like that, loop, and then here also ends loop. Okay, now fetch. What are you going to fetch? The name of the cursor, fetch the cursor, and then into what? These variables we created. That's one, this one, registration dates, and finally address. Good. So if this loop will be this cursor will be fetching and then store all these values in the cursor. After that, let's say if our cursor doesn't found any codes or any data in if the cursor doesn't find any data, it will exit. If Control V, not found, not found, then exit. Else it displays all the things. So in case of it doesn't found any data, it will exist. And if it's found, it finds something, it will print what will be found. DBMS output dot put line to print this one first. Print first name, and then last name, the registration dates, and finally the address. Okay, that's okay. Now let's run the code. Let's run the code and see what will happen if it will display the student. Okay, there is an error. Yes, it's line 16. Good. When expecting of the we didn't put a semicolon after exit. I think that the issue. You have to put a semicolon here and then run the code. Yes, screen. Good. Have another error. Okay. Didn't put these two pipes. Didn't put these two pipes here. You have to do like this. Okay. And loop an account loop when expecting all of the following. If okay, good. I think we didn't end the if. We should end if. We should end if. That's why it's good when you start an if. When you start an if, you end it. When you write if and then you also write end if. Okay, screen. Okay, another error. If cast not found, then not found, not a legal attribute, not found, or right, not found, not found. Like that. Good. Yes, screen. I think now it's okay. Okay, good. Now you have Mori, Mendes, and then this is the registration date. This is the location, Kinshasa. This is the name, Louis Jones. The registration date. I think all the students are found in IT department. Okay, that's it. Thank you.